Validation and food safety. Welcome back, food enthusiasts. In today's video, we're delving into a crucial aspect of food safety, validation. Join us as we explore how validation ensures that the measures taken to protect our food are effective and reliable. Let's get started. Explaining validation and food safety. Food safety validation is the process of ensuring that the control measures implemented by food manufacturers are scientifically proven to be effective in reducing or eliminating hazards. The importance of validation. Validation is a vital step to determine if the control measures adopted by food manufacturers are appropriate and reliable. By conducting thorough validation studies, potential risks and hazards can be identified, evaluated, and addressed, ensuring safe food for consumers and protecting public health. Methods of validation. There are various methods used to validate the control measures in food safety. One approach is challenge testing, where simulated scenarios are created to assess the effectiveness of a particular control measure. Another method is literature review, where scientific studies and data are analyzed to support the efficacy of a control measure. The role of process validation. In the food industry, process validation is crucial to ensuring the consistent production of safe and high-quality food. It involves conducting tests and experiments to demonstrate that a specific process consistently yields products that meet predetermined specifications and safety standards. Validation and HACCP systems. Validation is an integral part of hazard analysis and critical control points, HACCP systems, which are systematic food safety management systems. Through validation, HACCP systems ensure that the control measures identified in the plan are effective in reducing or eliminating hazards at each critical control point. Challenges and benefits of validation. While validation is essential for food safety, it does come with its own set of challenges. Scientific complexities, cost implications, and resource constraints can make the validation process challenging for food manufacturers. Thank you for joining us in today's video on monitoring and food safety. We hope you found it informative and gained a better understanding of the importance of ongoing monitoring in ensuring the safety of our food. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more food-related content. Need help with validation? Let us know by booking a call.